Hey, what's up, science heroes? What if I told you this balloon can power a car with zero fuel? Welcome back to Little Genius Lab. Today we're building a balloon-powered car, a mini vehicle that runs only on air pressure. No engine, no battery, just pure science in motion. First, build your lightweight car frame. Then, carefully assemble the axles and wheels, making sure everything spins freely and rolls straight. Tip: the smoother the wheels, the farther it goes. Now for the power. Insert a straw into the balloon, seal it tight with tape, and fix it on top of the car with the straw pointing backwards. Blow up the balloon, hold it closed, place the car down, and release. Boom! Your car shoots forward. As air rushes out backwards, it pushes the car forward. Allah has created even invisible things like air with power and purpose. If this little car blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and share. Try it yourself and tell me how far yours went.